So we are getting my longer buddy out. If you can see this dope ass dude. But I decided to switch my vlog camera just for this time being. Just because the lens that I have for the Sony 28x70 here won't really do me no justice. So what I decided to do was I'm gonna just take my Nikon out here and just shoot with my 50 to 250 instead. Yeah. So I got the Z50 with the 50 to 250 lens on it, and that's what I'm gonna shoot right here. Dope ass spot. So I'm gonna just put the camera right here so we can just get some shit. That's really all I do as far as getting the picture. Like I said, I'm using my Nikon for the pictures tonight. I'm using my Sony to vlog, but let me check these out before I jet out of here. Make sure I got some good photos. I think we got something to go to the next spot. Apartments here. Where I'm at. It's a dope ass walk area. I'm just gonna show y'all how you can take your own shots for real. Like no cap. Look how consistent this light is, yo. Look how consistent this light is. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna use this light for some photos right quick. And I'm gonna just set this up. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna set up my camera. I may take a couple shots on the Sony too. Let's do this. Let's take advantage of the street since we're already down here. Let me go walk around. What I'm gonna do now is I got my tripod baby here. All I gotta do is just leave this piece on here. This piece live on here. And just attach it right to here. So, and then get the shot is cameras now, as you go 2021, unless you have an older camera that can't do it. I'm connected to your phone through Wi-Fi connection. So you really can use your phone as a remote, essentially a remote, where you can be off in the distance and have a timer set, or you can even just click it on in. But if you want to have your hands move and stuff like that, preferably click it on the timer so you can just click the button and then time whatever. Try something, get that thing on, get that thing, do it. Nikon has an app where it's called SnapBridge. SnapBridge, and when SnapBridge pulls up, you can literally just it's connected to your phone. What you do is you just basically get it in the center, because it's like a little black circle there. Just get it in the center so you can make sure it's centered. So now that it's centered, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and slide that baby back on. Make sure it's tight as possible. But and it is in the description down below. So if you want to go to Amazon, check it out. It's not bad as far as pricing. Check it out for real. Don't do this with your camera on there already. I'm already showing you a bad thing. Do not do this with your camera. Okay. That's why you got the phone. Now the phone, of course, is so sensitive. I have to reconnect. Might try to start some, pop. I might feel uncomfortable calling the police and shit. Well, all I'm doing is just taking pictures, so that's what we're gonna do. A couple more shots. My phone keep disconnecting, so it's giving me a hassle. It's disconnecting every time I get to a spot. I want to take a picture, disconnect. So, Nikon, if you're seeing this, fix your damn app, fix your Wi-Fi connection. It's freaking horrible. I gotta get a couple more shots here. I'm not pleased with any of the shots that I've got. So I want to kind of get like couple more shots. But if I can get this fucking shit working correctly, it will be perfectly fine. But sometimes the shit just don't want to work right. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up. It was cool. It's just, I need a fucking assistant. I need somebody with me to take these photos, because after a while it kind of gets hard when you're taking the fucking photos by yourself and you can't get what you want. Like I said, work with what we got. I took a couple pictures, but like I said, work with what we got. I took a couple pictures, but I'm pretty sure they're pretty dope. Because everything I do take is dope regardless of what's going on. So I'm gonna let y'all know now. But ooh, see, that's why I said never do it with the camera on there. That motherfucking camera just turned. This here is by far the most irritating it has been. It never is done. I don't know if it needs like a new firmware update. Now it's disconnected. Whatever. I don't know if it needs like a new firmware update or something, but it's not fucking focusing. And that's real irritating me. Go ahead and like, subscribe. I'm gonna put all the gear that I'm using right now in the description below. At a cheaper price if you want to get it. It's not expensive, but you just went on the vlog with me. It can get irritating sometimes when the shit doesn't work correctly, and I don't know why. Today I just decided not to do it while I'm vlogging, so I got a couple shots of my Sony, and I'm kind of glad I got those, because those actually look pretty good. It's the only thing I have to figure out a way to get like a view screen or have somebody come shoot photography for me. So like, subscribe, make sure you comment. What camera do you have? What did you start with? So those are 3 questions. What camera you're using now? What camera have you started with? And what camera do you wish you had? Wish you had if money wasn't an issue. Go ahead and put that in the comments below. Make sure you like, subscribe. Danny Certified out.